Good morning, boys and girls. We are looking at a new reading book today, and the title is Listen. Listen. There's our title page. Listen, listen. What's that sound? Insects singing all around. Chirp, chirp, chirr, chirr, buzz, buzz, whir, whir. There's all the insects making their sounds. Leaves rustle, hammocks sway, splish, splash, children play. Clouds drift, dogs run, sizzle, sizzle, summer sun. So those are some things you might hear in the summer. Listen, listen, summer's gone. Goodbye, insects, autumn's come. Plop, plop, acorns drop. Hurry, scurry, squirrels hop. So autumn is another word for fall. That's the time of year we're in right now. Pumpkins ripen, quick, quick. Apples, corn, pick, pick. Crunch, crunch, people walk. Ack, ack, seagulls squawk. Honk, honk, geese call. Swish, swish, leaves fall. Whoosh, whoosh, hats fly. Whoo, whoo, owls cry. Listen, listen. Autumn's gone. Snowflakes whisper. Winter's fun. Shh, shh. Snowy night. Snow sparkles white and bright. In the winter it seems like it's very quiet. Crunch, crunch. Boots clomp. Grown-ups shuffle. Children romp. Skaters spin. Skiers glide. Zip, zoom. Slip, slide. Brr, brr, warm-up time. Ooh, ah, candles shine. Purr, purr, cats gaze. Crackle, crackle, fires blaze. Listen, listen, winter's gone. Finches whistle. Here's the sun. Pop, pop, bulbs sprout, leaves grow, flowers shout. Now we are ready for spring. Crick, crack, babies hatch. Peep, peep, chickens scratch. Frogs croak, ducklings quack. Munch, munch, rabbits snack. Rains fall, pitter-patter, sparrows gather, chitter-chatter. Listen, listen, spring is gone, another season has begun. In the air, on the ground, night and day, what's that sound? Listen, listen, after spring, summer comes, and insects sing. Chirp, chirp, chirr, chirr, buzz, buzz, whir, whir. In the summer, can you see a cricket, a butterfly, a mosquito, a bee, a dragonfly, a grasshopper, a beetle, a sunflower, a daisy, a leaf? Those are some things they talked about in the summer, or they showed us in the pictures. In the autumn, or the fall, can you see an owl, a goose, an acorn, a squirrel, a stalk of wheat, an apple, a pumpkin, an ear of corn, a seagull, and a leaf? In the winter, can you see a crow, a starling, a snowflake, an icicle, a holly berry, a paw print, a mouse, a sprig of mistletoe, a leaf? In the spring, can you see a bluebell, a daffodil, a tulip, a sparrow, a chick, a rabbit, a duckling, a frog, a rainbow, and a leaf. All right, boys and girls, so in this story, they were comparing our different seasons and things that you might see or hear in those seasons. In the spring, summer, and fall, you hear a lot more things outside when people are outside playing and doing things. In the winter, it seems like it's very cold and quiet outside, but you might hear more noises inside because people stay inside more. So most of our setting was outside. They showed us a lot of pictures of things that were outside. The setting is where the story happens. And they were just kind of comparing and showing how some seasons are alike and how some seasons are different. So that was called Listen, Listen. All right, boys and girls, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.